Hey guys, good to be here for this week's section of the Oxen Labs update. On the session side, we have essentially been working on closed groups and disappearing messages, which we'll be working on for the next couple of weeks. So there's a few work in progress PRs which are in the dev update, which you can keep up to date with to see how that's going. But we're basically just going to be working through that for the next couple of weeks. Jason is also working on the session library, the session YouTube library, which implements a lot of configuration message management, which is important for closed groups and disappearing messages. So we're just working through that basically right now for the session updates. On the Lokinet side, we are working on the GUI stuff essentially. So Mac. I'm excited to say that Windows is like in a perfectly working state from what I've seen now, which is we updated the GUI to have a few more colors in it. We also updated the entire kind of Windows process starting and stopping flow, which had a few issues there. But now Windows really reliably starts when you open the Lokinet application, really reliably stops when you stop Lokinet as well, and going in between the exit mode as well is really clean experience. So we spent a while on that and it's looking really good right now. I have literally just come from testing on Mac. We just have one final issue with Mac where the connect button for VPN mode wasn't working because of some of the changes we made to Windows, but that should be patched up in the kind of next day, and hopefully we will be getting some Lokinet releases out to you very, very soon. So keep your eyes peeled for those. On the Oxen Core side, we've diverted a lot of resources from Oxen Core to work on Lokinet and Session. So basically, though we've been working on Wallet 3 stuff, Sean is working on this layer of compatibility between Python kind of CLI layer between Wallet 3 and a command line interface that you can interact with. So he's still working on that now. Yeah, I think that just about wraps up what we've been working on. But yeah, keep your eyes peeled for the Lokinet stuff, and also I'll have more session updates for you as those closed group and disappearing messages tasks kind of go on over the next couple of weeks. Thanks guys, I'll throw it over to Josh.
Hey everybody, welcome back to another Marketing Labs update here. Last week, big week, exciting week actually, we had our latest session merch drop come into the office and they are looking so good. They're looking really fine. Still going to be a little bit of a while before it's publicly released. We still have to build out the storefront and there's some loose ends that we need to tie up, but it's really good to see that they come out looking as good as we were hoping they would. And maybe next week I'll rock one of the session hoodies. Maybe I'll do that, give you guys a sneak peek. Who knows? We'll see if I remember, but maybe that's something that'll happen. So on the short form video side, things are going really good as well. We've been able to bump up our view count to around like 3,000 for some videos. We're still trying to aim for a lot higher than that though, so we'll keep experimenting and trying to push that number up as high as we can get it to go. On the foundation side of things, we finally had our moment on the World Ethical Data Forum. Alex, Sam and Kee all participated in various events across the entire conference, so that was really nice. If you caught it, well then you've seen it, but if you didn't manage to catch it, don't worry, because it'll be popping up, all the videos will be popping up on our YouTube over the coming weeks, so you'll get a chance to view it then. We're still working on further localizing Session. That's something that we're working on. Also, we dropped the latest Session Tapes podcast episode, and we've got another one in the bag that's going to be dropping really soon, another special episode, so you can keep your ears and eyes peeled out for that one. Also, as a little side note, we've been posting videos to Odyssey as well as YouTube, and it turns out that Odyssey is growing just as fast as our YouTube is. So if Odyssey happens to be your preferred platform of choice, don't forget to give us a follow there, and you can see all the videos coming through that platform. Socials have been going really strong as well. The Oxen Twitter alone got around 400,000 impressions, which is 15% increase on the previous month. And, as always, we're doing UI, UX improvements. We're doing some stuff at the moment with onboarding, and there's some improvements around groups. But that's it for us. That's it for me for marketing this week, and I'll see you guys next time.